Hey everybody, Phati Mnguni here, visual artist, speaker and coach, and your transformational therapeutic artist. Today I'm working on a commission for a fundraising charity, and I've been commissioned to produce a transcription of the Yellow Sunflowers by Vincent Van Gogh in my style of Flour Batik. So I'm going to just show you the steps that I take when I am drawing and producing a Flour Batik painting. So for me, batik tends to be something that people expect to be geometric shapes and all of that. Something that is typically African, but I use it to challenge boundaries between African art, European art, and also to challenge boundaries between textiles and actual paintings. So I'm going to first of all draw out my sunflower, and then I will take you through the steps of then what I do when I'm then applying the flour paste to then applying the paint and to the end product. So I'm really excited about this, so I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you can join me in this tutorial. Okay.